This is my review about Zippo Butane single torch insert and Zippo Butane double torch insert. So let's see what are the advantages and disadvantages of using these two inserts. So first remove the insert. Beautifully made steel. You can see manufacturing company, Zippo manufacturing company, Bradford, and statutory warning: keep out of reach of children, do not keep it more than 10 seconds. I tried lighting it for more than 15 seconds, but nothing happened as such. Just got very hot. That's it. So let's see the double torch. This is how it looks inside. See the burner. Both are identical, but this one contains double, single here. The size is the same, no change at all. Everything looks the same. And here is the manufacturing company, and here the warning. And this one is made in China. That's a bit disappointing. I prefer the made in USA version. I heard the quality is low, the made in China version, especially the double torch. So far I found the single torch version works better than the double torch. The double torch don't last for more than 60 use as per the Zippo company. So here the single torch butane lasts for more than 100 times of use. That's really nice. So I urge you to use this one, single torch, if you are looking for less frequent refills. So this one here, double torch, looks nice, but the fuel runs out very quick. In my case, it's not even lasting for 30 use, so that's very disappointing. Thought it would last a day, but not a smoker, but I like to play with my lighter, so it's not lasting. So that's very much disappointing. So compared to the single torch, the double torch is a letdown. Yeah, it's not very hot. That's a good thing. So let's insert this back into the case. Yeah, and this thing's the jet flame is really hot, so exercise caution when you are using the jet flame lighters. Any for them, any lighter, if it's jet flame, you should be very careful, because this flame can burn up to this distance. Yes, it's hot, so be careful. It's not like the soft flame. Soft flame, as you know, you can even touch that soft flame, nothing will happen. So it's not the case with jet flame. It's really high temperature, so be careful when you're using the jet flame. So here the winner for me is the single torch butane insert Zippo. Double torch does not work well in the fuel efficiency department, so it's a major letdown of double torch. Can't blame those double torch. The name itself mentions that double torch uses more butane than single torch, but the company claims 60, but it's not even lasting for more than 30 times, so that's very disappointing. So I prefer the single torch. Yeah, the winner here is the single torch butane. So good work, Zippo. Thumbs up.